Hi everyone, it's Femi Olaniyan here, and in this video, I'm going to be answering one of the many questions I get from you guys, and the question is, how can you invest in real estate with little money? Now, there are many reasons why you might want to invest in real estate. Maybe because you want to increase your passive income streams, or maybe you just want to add it to your investment portfolio. And because you don't have that huge amount of money, you think real estate is not for you. Well, that is why we have what we call REIT. Now, REIT stands for Real Estate Investment Trust. Now, a REIT is a company that allows you to invest in real estate with as low as $10 on your phone. Now, in this video, I'm going to be explaining what a REIT is. I'll be talking to you guys about the advantages and disadvantages of investing in REIT. And also, I'll be talking about how you can invest in REIT on your phone. And lastly, I'll be talking about how to pick the best REIT to invest in. So you can call this video the complete guide to investing in real estate investment trust. But before I go into all of this, if you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Femi Olaniyan and I make videos on personal finance, cryptocurrencies, the stock market, and how to make money online. So if you love content like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to like this video. Thank you. Now, what is a REIT? Like I said earlier, REIT stands for Real Estate Investment Trust. Now, a REIT is a company that owns, manages, and operates a real estate. So when you invest in a REIT or in a real estate company, it means you are buying shares from that company and then you are owning a part of the real estate that is owned by that company. Now, it's just like saying you are buying shares or stocks from a particular company and then you become an investor in that company. So when you invest in a real estate company, you are buying shares from that company and then you own a part of the real estate owned by that company. So that is the simple meaning of what a REIT is. Now, what are the advantages of investing in a real estate investment trust? Number one is dividend income. So many REITs offer dividend income. This means that these real estate companies, they take part of the profit they've made from the real estate and pay them back to the investor. So when you invest in a real estate company, you have the chance to get dividend as passive income. And the average amount of dividend that real estate companies pay is 5%. There are some companies that pay as high as 8%, some pay 10%, and some even pay 15% annually. And there are some other companies that pay less than 5%. But however, investing in real estate investment trust is one of the best ways to get passive income into your pocket. The second advantage of investing in real estate investment trust is that you don't have to bother yourself about the maintenance or management of the real estate. Now, all of that is done by the company. All you just have to do is just invest your money and expect your interest or your returns. So you don't have to give yourself that headache of how to maintain the real estate properties or how to manage the properties. All you just have to do is invest your money and expect your returns. The third advantage of investing in real estate investment trust is that you can invest in real estate with as low as $10. So if you want to invest in real estate and then you don't have that huge amount of money to own a physical real estate, then you can just put your money into different rates with as low as $10. The fourth advantage of investing in REIT is that it helps you to diversify your investment portfolio. So let's say, for example, you have been investing in other assets like crypto, stocks, index funds, and so on. You can decide to add real estate to your investment portfolio by investing in real estate investment trusts. The fifth advantage of investing in real estate investment trust is that you can easily turn your investment into cash. So unlike when you own a physical real estate, before you can turn that investment to cash, you need to find someone who is going to buy that property from you or someone you are going to rent that property to. So it is until when you find someone that you can turn that investment to cash. But for real estate investment trust, you can easily go on your phone and sell the shares you have bought from that company and your investment will be turned to cash immediately. So you can see that with real estate investment trust, it is easy to turn your investment to cash immediately. Now, everything that has a good part also has a bad part. So I'm going to be talking about the disadvantages of investing in REIT. Now, the first disadvantage is that you have no control over the maintenance and management of the company. So you can see that having control over the maintenance and management of the company has its own advantage and disadvantage. And the disadvantage is that you can't control how the company is being managed or how the real estate properties are being maintained. So if the company is not managing the properties well or they are not maintaining the properties well, your investment will go the bad way. The second disadvantage is taxable dividend. So whenever you get dividend from any of these real estate companies, you are required to pay tax on every dividend that you get. The third disadvantage is weak growth. Now, companies who pay dividend don't usually find it easy to grow as much as companies that don't pay dividend. Companies that don't pay dividend are called growth stocks, and that is why a lot of growth stocks are growing more than dividend stocks. And the reason is because the companies that pay dividend, they take part of the profit they've made and pay it back to the investors. But companies that don't pay dividend, they take their profit that they've made and reinvest it back to the business. So companies that don't pay dividend have more chance of growing in value than companies that pay dividend. And because real estate investment companies pay dividend, they find it hard to increase your investment fast. So if you are looking for fast money, then you shouldn't invest in real estate investment trust. But if you still want to invest your money in something valuable, you can still give it a chance. Now, how do you invest in real estate investment trust on your phone? Now, to invest in real estate investment trust on your phone, I will advise that you open a Trove investment account. And this is the app I'm going to be recommending to you because I've been using this app to invest for over 2 years right now. Now, on the Trove Investment app, you can invest in different real estate companies in the United States with as low as $10. If you want to create an account on the Trove Investment account, I will advise you use the link in the description of this video. You're going to be getting up to $50 worth of free stocks in your portfolio. So right now, I'll go to my phone and show you how to invest in real estate investment trust on the Trove Investment app. Now, for those of you that might not know, this is the Trove Investment app on App Store. So you can search for it on your App Store, your Play Store, and download it on the app. So I'll go to my Trove Investment app right now and show you guys how to use the app to invest in rate. So right now I'm on the Trove Investment app. So you can see where the arrow is pointing to, where you have all teams. So you tap on it and then you scroll down to where you have real estate. So you can see where the arrow is pointing to, where you have real estate right here, then you tap on it. So right here is going to show you the different real estate investment trusts that you can invest in on this app. There are a lot of real estate investment trusts on the app that you can invest in dollars. So let me pick this medical properties trust. So you can see at the top of the screen, the price of one share of this company is $15.87. And then if you scroll down right here, you'll be seeing some key statistics about the shares. And then right here, you'll be seeing the earnings growth of the company. And right here, you'll be seeing analyst ratings. So some analysts are saying you should buy, 85% of analysts are saying you should buy, 15% are saying you should hold, and 0% are saying you should sell. And under here, you'll be seeing related news about the company. So you can read this news. This can also help you to make decision on whether you should buy it or not. So let's say, for example, you want to buy shares from this company. You can come to the bottom side of the screen and tap on buy. So once you tap on buy, you enter the amount in dollars of the share you want to buy. So let's say you want to buy $20 worth of shares, and then you tap on review cost, and then after you bought it, you'll be seeing the shares in your portfolio. Now, most importantly, for those of you that are new to Trove Investment app, or maybe you've never used it before, I have a playlist on my YouTube channel that will show you different tutorials on how to use the app. I'll put the link to that playlist in the description of this video. Now, under that playlist, you find videos on how to sign up or register on the Trove Investment app. You find videos on how to deposit your money and how to withdraw your money on the app. And also, you don't need a dollar account before you can buy shares in dollars. You can use your Naira account. Also, I'll be showing you how to do that in that playlist. Also, I have a video on how to make money on the app too. So check that playlist. And also, there are videos on how to buy Nigerian stocks and US stocks on the Trove Investment app. So I'll put the link to that playlist in the description of this video. So this is how you can locate rate on the Trove Investment app and buy shares from them. So right now, I'll continue with the video and show you guys how to pick the best rate to invest in. Now that you've seen that there are a lot of real estate investment trust companies on the Trove Investment app, and I'm very sure you'll find it hard to pick the best one, I'm going to be giving you some tips on how to pick the best rate to invest in. Number one is pick rate with longevity records. Now, what I mean by this is you should try and look for rate companies that have been in the market for a very long time. Also look for companies that have been paying dividend for a very long time. That will really help you pick a very, very good rate to invest in. Number two is understand the kind of real estate the company owns. Now, some companies invest in different kind of real estate. Some invest in the health sector real estate, commercial real estate, and some even invest in residential real estate. So you should be able to understand the kind of real estate the company owns and this will help you make a very good decision on which one to go for. And the reason why I'm saying this is because during the lockdown in 2020, those people that invested in commercial real estate saw a drop in their investment because people were not really going out. And also people that invested in the health sector real estate saw an increase in their investment. So knowing the kind of real estate that the company owns will really help you make a very good decision. Number 3 is check the numbers. Now you should be able to know the amount of dividend the company is paying, and you should also be able to do your research on the earnings growth of the company. So a company that is having an increasing earnings growth is a good rate to invest in. What I mean by this is a company that has made more profit than what they made last year is also a very good investment to do. Number 4, if you don't want to do all of this research that I've mentioned, you can invest in a rate ETF. Now, a rate ETF is a combination of different real estate companies that you can invest in at once. And the one I'm going to recommend to you is VNQ, the Vanguard Real Estate ETF. Now, this is a combination of the top real estate companies in the United States that you can invest in at once. So if you don't want to do all of those research that I've said earlier, you can just make it easy for yourself and invest in VNQ, the Vanguard Real Estate ETF. Now, in conclusion, investing in REIT is one of the best ways to invest your money in real estate with little amount of money. And it is also a very good investment to add to your portfolio. I hope you have been able to learn 1 or 2 things from this video. If so, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have any question, kindly drop them in the comment section of this video. And don't forget to create a Trove Investment account. Use my link in the description of this video. You get up to $50 worth of free stocks in your portfolio. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.